Hello friends, my name is Abhishek, and while working on a computer, if you are going to see a page setup like this, like you are not seeing any side gap or side rolling, and you are also not seeing any page gap or white page gap, and you are just seeing a single line horizontally, and you are not getting to get many pages. You are just getting to get only a single page and many horizontal lines. So how to fix it? Without fixing it, you can't make changes, or you just can't do any kind of a page drafting or making a proper vertical alignments. So friends, to solving it, you just have to double click. You just have to bring your mouse cursor on just above the line, and then you have just to double left click, and after that you will get to know that your that line has been removed, and here you can see a white gap or white page gap space. So this is the method that you can get over or get rid of this problem. Thank you.